Go. No, Eli. That's how he breaks his leg.
The following was recorded on the 4th of July. We are not trained professionals, only professional idiots. Enjoy.
Daniel, watch this.
Hell, that's hot.
No, I get it.
It's time, folks!
You go stand down
Let's go!
I mean, you can go down. I'm gonna stay down here.
Watch your feet.
Sorry. Woo! How are you doing? Looks like you're
Oh, my feet! Woo!
fuck.
Imagine me having a plane farm.
I was just going to say, oh, fuck.
Like, why? What? Nicholas?
Fuck them.
Are you recording the whole thing?
Trying to.
Yeah!
Get them all, baby.
Ew. Ew. Sounds nasty. Ew. The grand finale is like. It's like constant, it never ends pretty much. Clap once. I like that, The ones on the left side. Whoa! Grand finale.
Oh, hot damn!
Hot dog! Happy Fourth!
Sweet frosted Jesus!
Sweet frosted Jesus. Wait, frosted
Sweet frosted Sweet frosted Jesus! Sit up, girl.
Jesus.
Would you stop?
No, let me stop.
What a fuck.
Oh, stop. Here.
Oh shit, dude.
Sweet, rock.
God bless America. You're drunk?
Nope. Incoming.
It wasn't a
Happy 4th.
It's a second. It's Canada Day.
Happy 2nd.
Canada. Fucking Canada.
The finale.
Can I say I am fucking hard?
Shut the fuck up.
Gotta time it perfectly. Yippee-ki-yay, Mother Russia! Do your best to make us laugh.
Do you feel like you You had a couple of the ones
Yeah, buddy!
Next year I'm watching this on cocaine.
and pop. Wait. Second boot.
Nah, you gotta go put them in. Here, let me see him.
Yeah, you can't get close to that.
I'm just gonna put my valuables right there. All I need in my
Don't kill yourself. Yeah, they just got destroyed, it seems like.
It's all over in this corner.
Can I throw this in there?
Hell no.
Here's your fire.
We got
any fireballs?
Don't waste any more of those after that.
a sacrifice. I was kind of hoping they'd just shoot off in all directions. Well, I think this is
Rapid fire.
the end to the 4th, even though it's on the 2nd. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed those clips from my 4th of July weekend. I actually filmed most of them on July 2nd, which is actually what today is, but we just had our 4th party early. But I hope you all have a happy 4th of July and a happy Canada Day, because I've been told today's Canada Day as well. So to all you Americans and Canadians out there, be safe when celebrating, and I hope you all enjoyed the show. If you weren't able to experience fireworks for yourself for whatever reason, or you're away from home, out of town, or on vacation, whatever it may be. But thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed all of these little clips. I don't know how much of it I'm actually going to end up putting in the video, or how much is worth showing, but I am tired. I'm going to go play some Minecraft and go to bed, because I finally got the server up and running for me and my friends, and that is that. So I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked that video, why don't you follow me over on Twitter or Instagram, or hit that sub button down below to get notified anytime I post new content. Or you can click this video up here for something different, or this one over here, or drop a comment down below or a like on the video. See you guys in the next one.